Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Parang kayo nag-birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati. O, bulong mo apo yung candle. Mag-wish ka muna, ha?
Wish ka tilay.
Happy birthday for Papa. Wish mo sige, Papa.
Happy birthday!
Healthy lang.
Sige.
Yan si Papa.
Papa!
Nandun si Papa. Sige. Sige.
Happy
O, mag-wish ka, Papa. Si Ate Lai mag-blow.
Sige.
Wish ka na daw pa.
Yes.
Sige, sige. Ulit. Sige, ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ano mo ta? Videohan mo siya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligaya, maligaya, maligayang bati. Maligayang bati, Papa J. Oh, wish na, wish.
Happy birthday!
Ikaw na mag-wish, siya mag-blow.
Yung birthday mo to. Ako, meron akong dalawang birthday. So,
Bulong ka na lang dyan.
Bulong ka na lang dyan. Sasabi mo, Fiona.
Tapos na wish mo?
Tama mo mo, nagtapos.
Pa, nag-wish ka na?
Oh. Singit mo sandali para makakain na kami.
Para mag-blow na si ate. Blow
Oh.
na daw ate.
Yay! Kain na.
Yes!
Plato tita. Kunin mo yung plato tita. Oh, sige, kain na. Kayo, mga bata, mag-spaghetti pa ba kayo? O mag-ice cream at saka ano na lang? Oy, hindi pa kayo kumain ng kanin. Kumain na
Tay,
kayo.
kumain ka na ng kanin, te. Spaghetti ulam mo.
Coke zero. Na lang.
Ale, yan.
Ito, baboy.
Yan, pork. Oo, gusto niya yan. Paborito niya yan. Pasok, itulak mo nga yung ano po, anak, lamisa, anak.
Wait lang yan ha, wait lang.
Hindi ka nag-eat.
Kainin mo be. Kain na, kain na.
Abanti lo, umupo ka, uro ka dito lo. Diyan ka, dito ka na lang. Asya sila dyan.
Halina, kain.
Nalala ko ang promise.
Oy, anong kakainin niyo, oy?
Happy birthday.
Yan, segundo.